Guys, 4 years ago, I did this 3D printed no prep veneer case with Onyx Tough OG. This is Hollywood White. This is right after rubber dam removal. Here she is again, right after delivery. But now here we are 4 years later, guys, and what an incredible result. She's been so happy with these veneers, and they look beautiful. They don't look quite as good as the day that I placed them, but you know what? They're pretty close, and I'm happy with these results, and so is she. And back 4 years ago, I didn't really know everything there was to know about no prep 3D printed veneers, but look at the color stability from Sprint Ray. Pretty much the exact color from the day that I delivered them. That's incredible. Now, photos could hide a lot of stuff, so let's just go to a video here, and you can see, we have some discoloration a little bit in between the teeth, which is very common with no prep veneers. They're a little bit bulkier than I make them now because back then we couldn't print super thin. So we were at 400 microns, whereas now I'm at 150. But all in all, guys, I think this is just an incredible service for our patients. And I think for all you people who are naysayers out there, it's really kind of sad because you're missing one of the biggest revolutions to occur in our practice lifetime.